The holding wanted proof this recipe site could sell products. They refused to fund it. Here's the cheap fix that still hit 10% conversion. Hi, I'm Dimitro, senior full-stack engineer and tech lead, 10+ years in large-scale e-commerce. This is a real case from my career. Shuba Life is a recipe website, part of a retail holding, but it never actually sold anything. People read recipes, closed the tab, and bought ingredients wherever. The holding wanted proof this site could drive real sales but wouldn't fund a proper integration. Here's the constraint, the hack we shipped instead, and why it still worked. So the call was search, not integration. No product catalog lookup, no inventory sync, the cheapest thing that could possibly work. We added one button, buy ingredients. It sends the recipe's ingredient list straight to Silpo, our holdings grocery store. It's a blind link, no stock or price check on our side. On Silpo, each ingredient just becomes a live search query, and you get a carousel of matching products. Stock and price only show up here on Silpo's own page. Pick your delivery address, add everything to the cart, and you're done. The recipe just became a grocery order. Nobody asked me to build this. I built it as a bottom-up initiative and ambassador push to help the Shuba Life team actually sell something, not a top-down assignment. I designed the link protocol, then built the front-end component that renders it on Silpo's side. No dedicated design budget, it just inherited the site's existing look. The whole build took about a week. Team was small, me plus one tester checking the flow held together. The build was the easy part. Getting both teams to actually sign off on shipping it took 3 more weeks of back and forth. And even after that, it almost didn't work. Cloudflare on Silpo's side was blocking the redirect from Shuba.life entirely. Had to get the rules tuned before the link would even open. That cheap path had a real cost too. Silpo's search engine is a black box. I had no control over its logic. So search wasn't precise. Lemon could surface dish soap alongside actual lemons. And stock depended on the branch, so sometimes the product just wasn't there at all. Still, about 10% of people who clicked the button actually completed a purchase. Before this, that number was 0. There was no path to purchase at all. A flawed 10% beat a perfect 0%. The lesson isn't always ship the cheap version. It's that when the alternative is nothing, a rough integration you can actually ship beats a perfect one you can't fund. Have you shipped something like this, a small feature that unlocked a whole new user path? Tell me in the comments. If you build products like this, follow along, more real cases coming.